The quest for the vending machine in DU. With nobody else around. Vending machine, where art thou? Let's see. Found all this. University of Denver. Darn you. You can find a million things in here. There's a security guard now. I don't know if we're allowed to be in here or not. Look, this is where all the rich people get to sit in DU when they're watching a hockey game. Oh, futuristic chairs. This is cool. I mean, I'm not snobbish and rich, so I never get to do this sort of stuff. Look at the view.
Whoa. We got the view of a room. Oh boy.
Look at that. That's still no vending machine in sight. Arrgh. Foiled again. And we can't get out because the security guard saw us. Yes!
Follow the overpowered chlorine. Oh, go this way.
Magnus Arena. Magnus Arena at Mile High. Yeah. We have now snuck into a Detroit Red Wings and Colorado Avalanche game. This is pretty exciting.
It's intense.
Oh yeah. There've already been 5 people beat up. Of course, you know that's hockey for you.
Yeah, it's hockey.
There's teeth all over the ice. You just can't see from the
I
table.
know. Look how teeth all.
We're up in the snobbish area.
Oh,
With no shoes.
To say, you know the white ice over the blue?
Okay, that wasn't creepy.
Yeah, Frank. Yeah, Frank is cheating on his wife.
I know.
Yeah. Well, we went the opposite way, and we went out. I don't know. By the.
Okay, look how cool this is. Okay, see this thing? It squirts out stuff. It shoots out Pepsi and Sierra Mist and soda and diet soda and T and G and O and water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, gin and tonic.
I don't think so.
Yeah, and guess what?
Gin.
It shoots out beer, most importantly.
Who cares about beer?
I don't know.
I don't think beer comes out.
Yeah. Is there a B button?
Maybe G should be for
Something
go.
tells me T or G or O.
I don't think so. What'd you squirt out?
Didn't squirt anything.
I pointed it at Matthew.
We found the vending machine.
Actually, I can't right now. Then we can just
Like soda.
yeah, guys, we sit on it.
Hold yourself together.
Yeah, guys, we sit on it.
Hold yourself
We get
together.
our snacks, and then we sit in